In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Shin Chan, Me and the Professor on Summer Vacation. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So what you need to do is go to Steam and search for the game. Once you have found it, select it and scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game is available on Steam from €29.99. But the next step is basically click on the link in the description of this video and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search the game again and then select games on the left side. After that, sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find a game which can be activated in your country. So make sure this text is marked green. After that, select the game, and once you have opened that page, you see that this game is already available at €25.94 instead of €29.99. So you will save yourself a bit of money while downloading this game online. Once you have bought this game on this website, you will receive an activation key for Steam to activate and download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!